Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Corvette C10 Concept is a masterpiece that blends futuristic aesthetics with raw power. Clad in a stunning two-tone white and black exterior, this concept car radiates sophistication and aggression in equal measure. Every curve, vent, and line tells a story of aerodynamic perfection, while the sharp headlights and sculpted grille highlight its modern DNA. The rear is adorned with quad exhausts and a sleek spoiler, ensuring it looks as fast as it drives. Exterior design. Step by step, the angular front fascia exudes dominance. Flowing lines along the body create a sleek profile. The rear spoiler and taillights deliver a sporty finish. Pros and cons. Eye-catching and aerodynamic, but may polarize traditional Corvette fans. Interior and dashboard. Step by step, the cabin is draped in leather and carbon fiber with ergonomic seating. The futuristic dashboard boasts a 15-inch touchscreen paired with a digital gauge cluster. Ambient lighting completes the experience. Pros and cons. High-tech and luxurious, though touchscreen reliance may deter some. Performance. Step by step, the C10's electric powertrain delivers a 0 to 100 km H sprint in 2.9 seconds and a top speed of 320 km H. Its all-wheel drive system ensures precision handling. Pros and cons. Blistering speed and eco-friendly, but maintenance costs may be steep. Price and target audience. Priced around €200,000, the C10 appeals to affluent enthusiasts aged 35 and above. Its competitors include the Tesla Roadster and Porsche Taycan Turbo. Oil and maintenance. For hybrid models, synthetic 5W, 30 oil is ideal, with changes every 10,000 kilometers. Verdict. The C10 is a thrilling blend of innovation and tradition, perfect for spirited drives.